So neighbors have their generator on. We've had no power since the middle of the night. I don't know, I think about 1 a.m. or so. I slept through most of it. Just checking out the damage to the trees. Definitely don't want to spend a lot of time under the trees because every time you pause for a second you hear the cracking sounds of another branch breaking off. Looks like everything's doing okay for now. Still not going to spend a lot of time walking underneath them. But it is still raining, it is still freezing, so unfortunately, despite how this looks right now, we're still not done. I'm just going to take a quick look at the lake. I don't know if you can hear that, but we just lost another big branch off the trees at the back of the house. So you can kind of see the top of where one used to be. A little concerned about my neighbor. Her house is in this lovely little forest-like setting. But I don't really feel safe walking through there to check on her at the moment. So we'll have to settle for a phone call when I'm done this. Okay. Looks like we have lost one of our fruit trees. Looks like most of the bushes are going to survive. Lost a big chunk of that tree. Might lose my last willow. This section of fence at least did not have any tree come down on it. This is utter devastation back here. I'd like to get in there to fix the fence, but I don't think it's safe, and I'm pretty sure that the animals are smart enough not to walk in there. Does not appear we've lost any buildings. Nothing has fallen on a building, which is fabulous. So it's just fences and trees for us. I just built that fence this year. All right, well, at least it's not something that I had a long-standing attachment to. But you can see why things are breaking. Now, look at this. Look at how much ice is on each individual fence wire. And when you put all that on a tree, it just can't keep up. I hope you are all safe and staying inside. I am going to go and defrost by the fire. Sorry, there's ominous cracking noises coming from everywhere. It's making me jumpy. Have a great day. Love from the farm.